हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट एंड आई होप आप लोगों की एग्जाम्स की तैयारी काफी तगड़ी चल रही है. सिंस वी हैड ऑलरेडी सीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट important entrances notification last time, which was Narsi Munji's NPAT, today we are going to talk about and look into another important entrances notification. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने असर्टेन कर ही लिया होगा मेरे बैकग्राउंड से. सो इट्स रिटन क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी and today we are going to look into all the details, all the insights that we have to keep in mind, the pointers that we have to keep in mind while filling for Christ University entrance test form. And as I know you must be thinking that the forms and the notification were released a little earlier, but then because of some technical glitch and because of some mix up in the NEP, the new NEP policy, the unlocking of the forms got delayed. But then now we have all the forms for different courses like BBA and BCom unlocked, and now we can see step by step what are the things that we are supposed to keep in mind while filling CUET's form. एंड एक एक करके स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम दोबारा से देखेंगे कि हर फेज में आपको क्या चीजें ध्यान में रखनी है और क्या चीजों के बारे में केयरफुल रहना है. So let's begin. So students, before moving forward to the application filling process and the form filling process, let's know something about the Christ University and the programs and about the Christ University entrance test. So Christ University entrance test, as we all know, is an entrance conducted by Christ University Bangalore to give students admissions into various programs like management and commerce, and there are others, but then we'll stick to commerce and management. And there are majorly 5 campuses of Christ University, starting with Bangalore, the central campus, and 2 more other campuses in Bangalore itself, Kengeri and Banerghatta. And fourthly, Pune, Lavasa, and then lastly, Delhi NCR campuses. And these all campuses provide different courses in management and in commerce. So students, the major courses that is seen under BBA are plain BBA, BBA Honors, BBA Finance and International Business, BBA Travel and Tourism, and etc. And under BCom, we see plain BCom, obviously, then BCom Honors, and BCom Finance and Accountancy, and etc. So these were the major courses which are provided by almost all the campuses of Christ University. Now, students, let's hop on to the eligibility criteria to sit for Christ University entrance test, starting with the education qualification. We'll just stick to the Indian nationalized students for this time because the international and abroad students has altogether different criteria. So if we talk about the students who have Indian citizen, so starting with the education qualification, you guys must pass your 12th class to be eligible to give Christ University entrance test. And different courses has different percentage criteria. So if we talk about, if you guys want to take admission in BCom plain, BCom finance and accounting, BBA plain, and BBA honors, then you must score your 12th with not less than 55% aggregate. And if we talk about BBA finance and international business, then you must score not less than 60%. And students, lastly, if we talk about BCom honors, then not less than 60% has to be scored in your 12th aggregate. And if we talk about the students who are still appearing in the 12th finals, then they can also apply for this exam, noting that while admission or post admission, you must adhere to all the eligibility education criteria that we just discussed, and you will have to provide your mark sheets and results whenever it comes. And then also there are chances that if you're not fit to the eligibility criteria, your admission might be at stake. And if we talk about the age, then you must not be more than 20 years old to sit for the क्राइस्ट एंट्रेंस टेस्ट। सो बेसिकली 20 साल तक या 20 साल से कम तक के बच्चे ये फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हैं। नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड about the application dates. As I already mentioned, students, that because of some technical glitch, कुछ टाइम तक के लिए लॉक कर दिया गया था एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स को, but then now since they are unlocked again, so here is the date at it has been given, the dates are been given for all the courses. So this is the particular picture wherein we are talking about the BBA courses. So the registrations or the forms have been started from 11th of January and it will be open till 28th of April. तो 11 जनवरी को फॉर्म अनलॉक कर दिए गए थे और 28 अप्रैल तक का आपके पास टाइम है टू फिल द फॉर्म. And likewise, since this was for BBA, this is for BCom, the commerce, the students who wants to sit for commerce. Again, the date is same to fill the forms. The forms have started from 11th of January and it will continue till 28th of April. So guys, before 28th of April, you have to make sure that you have filled the form. So students, the main entrance in the aptitude of Christ will be conducted in May and the exact dates will also be released soon. And now let's move forward by seeing the application process of filling the form. What are the steps that we will go step by step to all the phases. And we'll also see what are the things that has to be kept in mind while filling the form. So as you can see, students, in top is the official link of the website from where you will be registering yourself for the application form, and a page like this will occur wherein you will be registering yourself with the basic details like your name, first name, last name, your active email address. So once you will register yourself, a code will be sent by the university at your registered email. So you have to put that verification code here, then only you will be able to proceed. So make sure आप वही email address डाल रहे हैं जो active हो और legit हो. And once you put this, we'll move forward by logging in. So students, after logging in, a page like this gets visible to you, right? Wherein your name, your email will be shown here, and here are the 3 columns for you to choose your desired program. So obviously, you students will be choosing the undergraduate degree program, and when you will move forward, so before, since I was talking that due to the technical glitch, the forms were closed, but then since 11th, the forms are again unlocked and you have to choose whatever program you want to sit for or you want to pursue in by selecting any of these. These are for the humanities and this is for the management and likewise for the commerce programs as well. And whatever program you want to sit for or you want to pursue in, you will have to choose that particular form and select apply online from here. And when we'll move forward, a page like this will be visible again to you, wherein you will be again filling in some basic details like, this is very important because here you get to choose your preferred campuses. So as I already told you, since just for the sake of example, I selected BBA, plain BBA as my desired course. So I got 3 preferences. And first preference that I got was Central Campus of Bangalore. Second was Banerghatta, and third was Pune, either Pune or Delhi NCR. So you have to choose your campus preferences wisely, and obviously you will have to choose the date of birth. Your email address is already registered. You have to fill your contact detail again, and then you will obviously press to continue. And then this is something that you have to keep in mind, that the registration fees that you will be paying for the application form will be non-refundable. This is a basic disclaimer, and you have to click to this checkbox and then you have to accept this form, and then we'll move forward again. And this is the statement of understanding, which again has to be ticked. There are like three check boxes which has to be clicked, and we have to agree and adhere to all these statements. Please read all the rules carefully, students. You have to keep everything in mind. So students, this is the second last step, the third step, which has to be filled very carefully. These are all your basic details. And I strongly suggest you that you keep your mark sheets and your Aadhaar card and all the legit documents with you while filling the form, so that there are no single error, because it might be troublesome when it is found to be wrong while the document verification. So this has to be done very carefully, and you have to be 200% sure that it is totally correct, the information that you're going to put. So here the detailed application will be आप लोगों को अपने मार्कशीट्स, अपने legit documents जैसे आधार कार्ड ये भी अपलोड करने पड़ेंगे. तो मेक श्योर आप ओरिजिनल और स्कैंड दोनों अवेलेबल रख रहे हो अपने पास. एंड वट एवर यू फिल, either it is your number, your blood group, your contact details, and your father's name, mother's name, everything has to be carefully filled again. And the last step, students, will be your payment of the fees. And the registration fees for Christ University is a one-time fees, which is 5,000 rupees for all the courses, either it is BBA or BCom, like either it is a management course or a commerce course. So this was the fees, and these are some few things that you have to keep in mind. So again, there should be no error. You have to make sure that everything is correct, and you have to upload the documents. Has to be like 10th and 12th document, the mark sheets and document has to be with you, original and scanned both. And once you finish your application process, आप लोगों को मेल पे आपको एक कंफर्मेशन मैसेज मिलेगा that you have been successfully completed your application process. तो वहां से मेक श्योर कि आप अपने वैलिडिटी के लिए, अपने प्रूफ के लिए वो प्रिंट निकाल के अपने पास संभाल के रख रहे हैं. So students, this was the thorough explanation of how we are supposed to fill the application form. If you want to know anything else, if you want to approach us, if you have any queries, you can always contact us via these details. And I wish you all the very best for your exams.